Make some rice flour uttapam. These are also very easy to make. I have all the ingredients onto my plate. Let me quickly introduce you to the ingredients. The first ingredient is our onion. I have taken one small onion and just sliced that onion. The second ingredient is salt, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of kitchen king, one big green chili, one tomato, 3/4 cup of curd, this should be sour curd, and half a cup of rice flour mixed with equal quantities of maida. Say for example, if you have taken 2 big tablespoons of rice flour, so equal quantity of maida you have to mix together. Now let's make the batter. I have inverted everything into my bowl except for the veggies. You can always alternate the veggies as per your own choice. Let's drop in little water. I've taken just half a cup of water and we'll see how much it's required to make the batter. The batter is absolutely ready. You can see the consistency here. I have used half a cup of water for this batter. My non-stick pan is here. I have already switched on the flame. Let's sprinkle some olive oil onto it and spread it evenly. You can use lesser quantity. So let's place your batter. Spread it to make a thinner version of uttapam. You can spread like this. Top this up with the veggies. And here you go. Now you need to cook this uttapam from the lower side. Once it's done and it starts scratching from the base, that means it's done. Then we'll flip it over. I'll show you. So after 4 minutes, it's a time to check if it's cooked or not. Let's see if it's moving. Yes, it started moving. Time to flip it over very carefully. Let's carefully flip it over. You can see it's cooked. Now cook the same way from the other side as well. So here you go. Our rice uttapam is ready to be consumed. You can consume this uttapam with green chutney, with tomato chutney, with coconut chutney, any chutney of your own choice.